Think freezing bananas is just for smoothies? Turns out, frozen bananas can actually be better for your gut, blood sugar, brain, and even your sleep. And yes, there's real science behind it. You're about to find out why freezing a banana actually makes it healthier. Before we jump in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay with me. I'll even show you how to freeze them the right way so you get the benefits without the mess. 1. Frozen bananas feed your gut. Freeze a banana that's still slightly green, and its starch turns into something called resistant starch, a special kind of fiber that feeds your good gut bacteria. Better digestion, stronger immunity, and fewer bloating problems. Yes, please. 2. Blood sugar friendly. Unripe, frozen bananas don't flood your body with sugar. Instead, the sugars are absorbed slowly, giving you steady energy without the crash. Great if you're watching your blood sugar or just want a smarter snack. 3. Mood and brain boost. Bananas are rich in vitamin B6, which your brain uses to make feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. Freezing doesn't destroy it, so tossing one into a smoothie helps with focus, memory, and mood, especially as you get older. 4. Better sleep. Frozen bananas still have magnesium and tryptophan, which help your body relax and wind down. Blend one with almond butter at night for a dessert that actually helps you sleep. Bonus benefit for seniors. Blended frozen bananas are soft, smooth, and easy to digest, perfect for sensitive teeth or slower stomachs. And you can prep them in bulk to always have a healthy option ready. 1 mistake to avoid. Skip the black, mushy bananas. They're higher in sugar and can cause bloating or gas. Stick with firm yellow or slightly green bananas for the best benefits. How to freeze bananas the right way. 1. Use firm yellow bananas. A little green is even better. 2. Peel them first. Trust me, you don't want to peel a frozen banana. 3. Slice into chunks about 1 inch each. Easier to blend and portion later. 4. Lay them flat on a tray. Use parchment. This stops them from freezing into a banana blob. 5. Freeze for a few hours, then transfer to a zip bag or airtight container. 6. Label and store. They're best within 3 to 6 months. So, are you already freezing bananas the right way? Or do you have your own banana hack you swear by? Tell us in the comments. I'd love to hear your tips, tricks, and favorite banana combos. If this gave you one new idea, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more easy food tips that make you feel better every day.